my channel. Thank you for stopping by once again. Today's video is about a quick, easy, on-the-go protein shake. Full of fruits, full of healthy stuff, and just so delicious. I'm starting a healthy vlog that is going to consist of some meal tips, some healthy tips that you can use if you're on the go and you're working and you have a fast-paced life. This is what you want to watch. I am going to show you what I put into my shake, and all of these things should be frozen. That is the key to this. You buy them fresh and then you freeze them so that all you have to do is just throw them in the blender on the go. All right, guys, if this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Guys, so first I want to share with you guys some saving tips on eating healthy, and I want to go into my freezer. This is so impromptu, so please excuse the mess. So here I have a whole bunch of mangoes that I cut up because I love mangoes in my smoothie. So I cut them up and put them in Ziplocs. Yes, it's time consuming, but in the end, I'm gonna save so much time. Then at Costco, they have this big bag of pineapple. It was full, but it's halfway gone. And I think I only paid $7 for this big bag. Also, when I buy pineapples, I cut them up. When I buy fresh fruits, I cut them up. And I have even a watermelon, as you guys can see. I know this is off the tip of the smoothie that I'm gonna show you, but you get this big thing of lunch meat, which I get, and I sometimes wrap it in lettuce. I think that was $5. And I have a big bag of frozen broccoli. I know you can get this at Walmart as well. All right, guys, I just wanted to share my tips. I do have some strawberries that you'll see in the video that I'm going to freeze, as well as bananas and everything else. All right, everyone, I just wanted to share with you this amazing drink that is full of protein, lots of fruits, just a boost of energy to replenish after my workouts. So I have strawberries, I have mangoes. I already have them already chopped up in a canister. And I have some frozen. I have some blackberries, some raspberries, bananas, and of course some raw oats. And I like to put some coconut milk in mine just to give it a little flavor. And I use about 2 scoops of protein, and I throw a little bit of peanut butter for an extra boost of protein. Yeah, so good. Baby going. And guys, you don't have to use wine glasses just for wine. And there it goes. Oh my God, look at that. Yummy. All right, guys, I'm gonna sample this after a crazy workout. Oh my God. All the berries, the mango, So good. I'm telling you, that protein shake, it just needs water. You don't have to do this. I know it seems like a lot of work, but it really isn't, especially if you freeze your fruits. You could freeze your bananas, you could freeze your berries, you could freeze everything and just throw them in there, and you can't go wrong. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Be healthy, be safe, and be royal. Bye.